Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know this is a little unrelated, but today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in this John Deere 2025R. This is going to be a pretty simple process. I had to remove the mid-mount mower to get access to this drain plug underneath. It's a 17 millimeter. You can see it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen that now and let it drain. Alright, let's go over here and pop the hood and open the fill cap up. It'll drain a lot better. Okay, I'll let that drain. In the meantime, I'll show you what oil and filter I bought from John Deere. Right here. It takes 2.9 quarts, so here's 3 quarts. It's 15W40, meant for the diesel engine. And here is the oil filter from John Deere with the part number right there. Alright, the next step, I need to remove this oil filter. So it's probably going to be on here very tight because this is the first time I'm ever doing this. So I'm going to try to get it by hand here, which I doubt I'm going to be able to loosen, but I'll try anyway. Yeah, that's a no-go. Alright, I need to get a filter wrench on there somehow. Alright, let me see if I can get my channel locks on here. Unfortunately, I don't have a filter wrench to fit this. I removed the dipstick so I could get in here with my channel locks the best I can. So let's see if I can get it loosened here. There it goes. I should be able to get it by hand now. There we go. Okay, here are the two filters side by side. This is the one I'm getting ready to put in. I just purchased from John Deere. This one is the original one. It came on the tractor when I bought it new, and it does not have any markings on it whatsoever. Nothing. So I don't know if it is a John Deere filter just not marked, or is it a Yanmar filter? I don't know. Before we install this filter, we're going to put a light film of oil on this rubber seal here. Alright, that's ready to go. Now I need to clean up this mess here. Get some rags in there and just wipe that up real good before I install the filter. Okay, I'm going to take the new filter and screw it into place. Alright, that's good to go. Now we can go ahead and put the drain plug back on. Okay, I'm about ready to reinstall this drain plug. just inspect this washer. It's a steel washer with a little rubber seal on the inside there. So make sure it's okay. And this one looks like it's in great shape. So I'm going to go ahead and just reinstall this and put the drain plug back on. All right, I'm going to wipe this up first. There we go. All right. That's it for underneath here. All right, let's get my funnel in here. And now I can go ahead and start pouring the oil in. All right, I added about 2.5 quarts. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up here. Get the oil pumped through the system, fill that oil filter up, and then add the remainder. Alright, let's pull the dipstick and see what we got here. I know I need to add more, so I'm going to check it and see where we're at, and I'll show you guys. Alright, you can see that? See that crosshatch area? We are in range. Right here. Full is up. See that better? There we go. It's hard to see, I'm getting a reflection, but so I need to add a little bit more. Wipe this off, put it back in, and add the remainder. Alright, let's check it again. We should be full now. Wipe this off, put it back in. Alright, let's see where we're at here. Yeah, we are good. Right where we need to be. You can see the level right here. The full mark is up here, but we're in range. So we're good to go. That's 2.9 quarts. Well guys, that completes the oil change. I appreciate you watching the video. Hit the like button if you liked it. And I will see you in the next one. Who knows, maybe I'll make more videos of this thing. Take care.